Yoga Sleep or Yoga Nidra Part 3. My previous Yoga Nidra meditation, Yoga Nidra Another Way 1 and 2 were different from the usual ones. It was a practice that expands the awareness beyond the body and immediate surroundings and can induce a state of deep relaxation. In this guided meditation, I am going to present it yet another way. Meditations begin with awareness of breath and thought. Try not to sleep while meditating. So lie down on your bed straight, keeping your hands and legs slightly apart. The room should be dark and comfortably cold. Close your eyes. Be aware of your breath. Watch how air is flowing in and flowing out of your body through your nostrils. Watch how your abdomen rises with each breath coming in and how it falls while exhaling. This will slow down your anxiety, thought, and breath. Now choose a name, any name that may be your God or your dear one's name. As for example, I am taking the name of Vishnu. You may take any other name of your choice. Now you have to find out 5 names of countries or states or cities for each alphabet. For example, Vishnu, V, Venezuela, Vietnam, Vanuatu, Vatican City, Vadodara. For I, India, Indonesia, Iran, Iowa, Iceland. For S, Switzerland, San Marino, San Francisco, Samoa, St. Lucia. H, Holland, Honduras, Hungary, Haiti, Holy See. N, Nepal, Namibia, Netherlands, Nainital, Norway. U, Uganda, United States, United Kingdom, Ukraine, UAE. It may take some time and effort to find the appropriate names, but by then you might have forgotten half the names you found, and luckily you are already half asleep. Your brain is no more working, it has had enough exercise by searching. Soon you would be in deep, peaceful sleep. Enjoy.